Welcome back to Mini Brothers. Now, we have two more modifications to do to the interior, but this one I've been waiting to do for quite a while, and that is adding this secret compartment. As some of you may know, the R Series Mini Coopers, the Gen 2 had a secret compartment in the dash. And in 2015, the first year of the Gen 3s, you could option a secret compartment. After that, they haven't added it to the car. But you can get the parts and you can install it yourself. So we're gonna install this secret compartment in the dash just to have a little extra storage. Also, it's pretty cool to have it hidden there. So we're gonna get this in the car. Really quick install. Let's get it in the car. Okay, so the secret compartment primarily comes in two parts. So one, you have the cover. In my case, my car is piano black. I'm not sure if you can actually get this in different colors, but and then you have the compartment itself. Now this is gonna go in place of some of the dash trim that's already in the car. We're gonna replace that and plug this in. To connect the cover to the actual drawer, there are 4 places that you have to screw it in. And if you look on the back of the cover, you can see those 4 spots. So you also need 4 screws. I will leave all the part numbers in the description and links to these parts. You need the 4 screws and these 2 parts. Now to get to this panel here, which is what we're trying to replace, we've got to take out the screen, and we've got to take out this vent, and then this panel will pop off, and then we'll just pop the compartment in its place. So this just pops off. As you can see, you have these 4 spots where it plugs in to these four locations. So it just pops off. Once you unscrew the vent, it's very easy to take it off. Okay, so what you want to do before you actually install this is that you want to actually get the faceplate onto the drawer, you want to get the cover onto the compartment. So open up the drawer, and if you're having trouble getting the drawer open, there's this little mechanism right here, and that has a spring. If you push the spring back, it'll pop the drawer open. Just going to line up this cover, and it actually sort of locks into place, so you can't really get this wrong. Uses 4 Phillips screws. Okay, once you have it all buttoned up, then it's just a matter of pushing this into place. Actually, and just applying some pressure. Now, I am actually missing these 2 screws. It looks like you could screw it in further with these 2 screws. I don't have those screws, so not going to worry about that right now because it will lock in with the vents. Just get this vent back in place, and there's a little knob here that it fits over. Okay, so now this can't come out. And there you have it. And there you have it. secret compartment completely installed. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions about this or comments, leave them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit that like button. We've got one more thing to add to this interior, and that is the digital cluster, which we're waiting to get back from being versionized. And once we get that back, we're going to install that in and get it coded in. Looking forward to doing that in the very near future. We also got the navigation installed. If you saw that in a previous video, we do have that working. And we also, along with that, have Apple CarPlay wireless. Now, we were able to get it coded. It wasn't easy. I will be doing a video just kind of going over some of the stuff we had to do to get it coded and walking through some of the software. But as you can see, it's working. Stay tuned for the next mod. We've got some more stuff coming for you very soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.